A great artist is a man who synthesizes his all experiences. It is to the point to think of that, what you need to do every day. It goes without saying that you have a day today. This means today you've got to use full energy. All of energy you can use on a day. It is fundamental for you to think of the matter. Make hay while the sun shines. The unwise do not understand the value of one day. The wise all the time understand the value of one day. It is pretty important for you to tell yourself, there is no tomorrow. Deeply, I'd like you to contemplate that there is no tomorrow. Tomorrow is a delusion you imagine. What you have as a matter of your reality is you're breathing now, today. There is no guarantee that whether you have one more day tomorrow or not.